Hey guys, we're gonna play another round of TTT. Oh, picking up some lag there. I want the Glock. Oh, I have a Glock.
And you need a script enforcer to actually get
Come on, Morse. Let me be a Tate. Morse. Morgs behind you. You wanna touch my Glock? Please touch my Glock. You wanna touch my Glock? I know you wanna touch my Glock. Touch my Glock. Touch my Glock. Fine, take my Glock. Take it like a man. Take my Glock. What about it? You want my Glock? Yes, you do. You know you do. No. Why does everyone have a shotgun? Get tested, Nomad.
Oh shit.
Come on.
You can't do the shot, nigga. You can't play moves. Wait a second. Good shot. Why did you kill that guy?
Bastard. This wouldn't have happened if you didn't just take my Glock.